Good afternoon, I'm Cade from Lovell's Greenfields. Today I'll be walking you through my 2016 MQ Triton to show you some of the accessories we do fit here and give you some options. So this video should be good for some people who currently own a Triton or thinking about purchasing a Triton. There's a bit of a stigma about Tritons that they're not the best car, but personally I think they're fantastic. They're well priced and there's a lot of cool accessories that we can fit to this vehicle and make them quite capable off-road. This vehicle I've currently set up for touring, long distance travels with my family, but it also is set up to do a bit of hard wheeling as well. I've currently fitted a full suspension package throughout the vehicle. In regards to the tyre and wheel package, I've fitted a set of Dirty Life DT1s in a 17x9. I've also fitted a set of new Yokohama ATX 16s. Haven't done a lot of kilometres on them, so it'll be good to see over the next 6 to 12 months how they progress. So these are an aggressive / hybrid all-terrain tyre. I didn't want to go to the extent of the mud terrain because I do still drive this vehicle on a day-to-day basis. These do have quite an aggressive sidewall, so I feel when we do eventually do some hard off-roading, they're going to bite in really well. They are a 10-ply sidewall. This will allow me to deflate the tyres to a lower rating to obviously help with traction. So to the front of this vehicle, I've currently fitted an ARB bull bar. We've got a GME UHF, and we've also got just a King's winch. I'd like to upgrade this to a carbon winch in the future. So currently under the engine bay, it's pretty much standard. We have fitted a Safari snorkel. We have also upgraded the intercooler to a HPD intercooler, which is nearly double the size of the factory intercooler to help keep it cool on hot days or when towing. The Tritons are also one of their downfalls is their clutches from factory. A bit like the 79 series, we've fitted an Outback Extreme clutch to the vehicle. Now I can take this vehicle on long trips and not be so concerned about clutch burnout. These Tritons are renowned for chewing through brakes quite quickly. Here at Lovell's Adelaide and Lovell's Greenfields, we work closely with DBA. So I've fitted a full set of DBA slotted rotors and upgraded pads to this vehicle, helping braking while towing my boat or my camper trailer. These have been a fantastic addition to the vehicle. As for the side of the vehicle, we've fitted a set of next-gen Clearview towing mirrors. They're fantastic. These are the power fold options. So as you do lock the vehicle or unlock them, it will automatically fold in and out. Also, while I'm in the car, if I am finding myself in a tighter situation, I can press a button inside and they will automatically fold in. These are fantastic for when I do tow my camper trailer or my boat, just to help with extra vision. Just to set the look of the vehicle off, I have fitted a set of weather shields. I've also had the windows tinted as well, just for a bit of privacy. Coming to the side of the vehicle, I have retained the factory side steps. They do meet my requirements. I probably will eventually upgrade to a rock slider just to prevent any damage to my seal, but for now they're suitable. So previously on this vehicle it was fitted with a tub setup. In turn, when you do fit a tray, you do need to change the tow bar to suit. They do sit a lot taller. We have dealt with Hayman and Reese for a number of years now and they're a fantastic product, so this is the option I've decided to go ahead with. So under the vehicle, we've done a little bit of work recently. Fitted a 138 litre Brown Davis long range tank. This is in the steel option rather than the plastic. For what I do, I feel that if there is any damage that is caused, I can potentially either have it welded or use a metal epoxy to either get me by it or to the nearest town. Just recently I've had the chassis braced. What that is they basically weld a 3 to 4 mil plate along the side of the chassis rail just to help with structural integrity. These Tritons are renowned for having a really short wheelbase. Where that exceeds is they're quite good off-road. They do drive really nice. They retain a good turning circle. But the downfall to that is most tray and canopies do overhang the axle quite a large amount. What this does is prevent any flexing. On the back of the vehicle, we've got a 1500mm canopy sitting on an 1800mm tray. Done a bit of work because it was a cheaper option. I fitted a false floor throughout and completely marine carpeted, 85 litre upright fridge, and I have a full slide-out kitchen and pantry here. To add to the camping luxuries that I've fitted to this vehicle is this new 270-degree Camp Boss awning. It is a full freestanding awning with the option to have poles when wanting to tie the awning down. From factory, they do have LED lights throughout all the poles. They do have white and amber to keep the bugs away as well. Down here at Lovell's Adelaide and Lovell's Greenfields, we have a great relationship with iTech World. So for this vehicle in particular, I've fitted it out with the full iTech World package, running an 120 amp hour lithium iTech battery, a 40 amp hour DC charger, and we've also opted for the 2000 watt inverter. The reason being, I do have 2 young kids, so I like to run the luxuries like a microwave. Inside we also have an induction cooker. Another awesome feature to the iTech package is their iTech shunts. And what that allows me to do is it allows me to monitor any power coming in or out, keeping the life of the battery nice and healthy and always topped up. Just recently, I've also fitted an onboard hot water system. We do have a shower tent on the outside of this canopy, so I can have hot showers, warm up water when I need to do the dishes and anything of that nature. Heading on the inside of the vehicle, a couple things that we've done recently, fitted it with a GME XRS unit. Benefit to this unit is you can plug it in with an RJ45 connector, completely remove it when needed. Have upgraded the head unit in this vehicle and recently put a full sound system in it. We've gone with a Pioneer set of speakers in all 4 doors, some tweeters and a new subwoofer underneath the seat. On this side, I fitted a throttle controller. What this does is it allows me to help modulate my throttle response when I'm either on the beach, rock crawling, or I'm on the freeway or towing my van. Whatever the needs may be, I can dial the settings up or down accordingly. Throughout my switch panel here, I do have a couple switches which activate my lights on the rear of the vehicle as well. As you can see, we here at Lovells are all passionate enthusiasts for four-wheel driving, camping and outdoors. Feel free to come see us at our Adelaide branch or our Greenfields branch to talk anything four-wheel drive and accessories.